yemu hano de wo he a ye bra no konti ye boni tew na yakoye ne ye wi a wo de wadwen kire ebeba abeka ho. Honorable Coco, good afternoon.
Afternoon,
na wada roma pom to saying
wada roma
yo yada sebebre awiabre se waje pene na waba ama ye bie awie enkomo no ano ede ama ye hwe aban cooperative mining policy and a programmer or de abano na yahwe ne impact ewo ye na ye wotakwa ene ne ntemu eso for those of us ye nim cooperative mining ye kan ho asem no what exactly ena aban cooperative mining no na de nti aban de baye
yo menia I'm the Odikan sorry Odikan yenchi a ye ne tiefo
Omojoso.
And Takwafua and the
right.
OT or SOMPA 101.1 FM. Na yabona bado so Juma Sonko Abrina Binya Waya Wadobua
right.
Takwanim Puntu.
Sure.
So now right from there no
yes.
My friend check as Sonko Soma the hardworking MP for Takwan Soyim, Honorable Salif Taylor, MC for Takwan Soyim Municipal, Honorable Ebenezer Kwabena, as well as constituency chairman,
right?
Chairman Danladi Salifu. Now, I am so there. In there, we are reparting, but we will change in there. Your national chairman,
sure.
I don't know to need a futuristic chairman, or as part of the thank you to across the nation, all the party massy, party executives, branch executive, constituency executives, and all the people who matter in the NDC administration. What do I want to say? There, Wayamber. Na waye de ne wo ye dwuma dendo bua oye NDC amanyuku ema ende tumi abeka amanyuku nensa no chairman honorable Johnson Asedun Katia atakwa nyambo china 12 ewo parish hall Roman Catholic Church chi honum na wona ina yekohia ese NDC nkotin sympathizer na nanom obibia yes yetun safra hon ewo mbra na womba join here
okay
na yentim yenhia chairman all babeda oye omamunu nyina ase
right
na minia
yes sir
I'm the bisabibi about
government cooperative mining
and skill development dodo na ebon nsam na the outcomes day
all right
so I'm the yes sembokra I'm the obi baby sade tell my wa so ebi say ya takwafo and the oriti heni will much interest in this question because there is no way ebetim akasa afa oye responsible cooperative and skill development wa bra embo takwa dinu because we know that across the nation when it comes to mining and the responsible mining intim take takwa away the reason they responsible mining take takwa away and the takwa I think there about 70% of Ejuma takwa municipality and one shaft in Ejuma underground Ejuma
right
and so when it comes to safer and best practice as well as offending and protecting the environment across the country takwa waiting the NCC there in Ejuma no Ejuma be on say environment only so look say
SOMPA 101.1
so look at system and man munya yellow fighting takwa I think the in Ejuma ya no wahano more of a shaft or underground work
right
now responsible cooperative mining and skill development there is misconception about this initiative man paying mahama say 2020 NDC manifesto 2024 is repeating honum man paying mahama and swade there there is no way as a country yeyi nanka yeyi kokofu gold na nanka oboyan
right
nanka as a country like Ghana no restoration there nyame adona Ghana for what do this to me no not trado as omanpanyina obey implement bibi wo frɛ no or then a cooperative mining and them you as a fee edian gold board
right
and so you see these two will work together
right
you make it or your twin policy will work together and a gold board aba because once a year environmentally offended best practice mining or be sustainable okay no bobo on man no yenya go deal young good wo be ase wo be sell no why export the amen and so responsible cooperative mining ne enisuade hunana ni vision nyina ne dey one all the illegalities all kodo man Ghana hade when it comes to small scale mining. Yeah, the responsible cooperative mining be replacing.
Okay.
That is the one offender
101.1 FM
of this policy and objective of this policy. They are the responsible cooperative mining be replace the illegal mining activities.
Okay.
All kodo man then we be done environmental threats. And two.
Okay.
The same responsible cooperative mining. Yeah, they be create juma. They be create juma. Previously, na kehwe small scale mining industry no na. No wa kwakwa there nkrofo a we take lead and wo bi and wo access to limited capital. Da man nkrofo no na wo ye ne. Wo control or the small scale mining sector no.
Okay.
So with the emergence of the cooperative mining and skill development, one of the objectives in there through the Ghana Gold Board and you better resource offending prospective miners. Our from cooperative. When you so I don't want paper when you viable land do the be juma. Wabe juma. International actual Gold Board nikita udima you be offend geological investigation.
Right.
And so that means made in your way. What cooperatives you fall under cooperative mining. Okay.
Right.
And yes, these two policies were twin policy a kunjam kokol. Okay. Was that we implement simultaneously.
Okay.
Or they were implemented at a go.
Right.
And so another pillar for the cooperative mining and skill development and now mbabuni pi yankata kwasem kwase yantakwa ne
watakwanti yes yan lemte ya ho
esuoso bonsa re nanse ya mosi wo nsuta achem
right
yanhwe mo okoro bonsa insunu na forest dumping between 2021 and 2024 dumping mesie yi ehu mesa na ho nyina waskata wono okay irresponsible mining. And so Abanese will fight illegal mining.
Right.
And so which means the responsible cooperative mining then so I don't condemn. Or provide an alternative livelihood program. Ediama in Babno mining area.
Okay.
Alternative livelihood program na yakon yabadi. Okay, na me ye friend na galamsey and illegal mining. Now Abanese be effect no yentim yenjina no asaman. Nti dam na ote dia me ye mo at the full betim di aye. That is the alternative livelihood program.
Right.
Yamo at the full betim aye. Abadi na yeba mo full betim aye. Na so nsa kwa na dia boafi. Na ye be kire wonsa no duma. You go provide the other one of a business even within the sector. Yebo mo the necessary skills and training. Na won so itima ade na what they aye duma. Now that is the alternative livelihood. Same as the constant education on the best best safer practice. Okay, in the mining industry.
Now, when you so mining not responsibly, why now right?
Okay, I am now down here. Didn't come one of your sister station. Na ye knew no more other side. Uncrofuna ya mo Ghana for mo to me na. Wenti man ye juma na waji for one same. Now, after we'll go after Gold Board no. Now now yeah, responsive cooperative mining or rebranding of how do